One of the most beautiful tropical blooming vines that you can grow in Louisiana is called mandevilla, and right now it's thriving. I'm here in front of a new variety of plants called sun parasol, and I'm some kind of fired up for it, like in this heat. This fired up orange is just gorgeous. And then we have the blue forbia that's kind of this purple blue color, very different from the traditional mandevillas that we're used to seeing. But lots of different colors here, like this mauvulus, so cute. And then this giant peach sunrise and another beautiful red color here. So lots of different colors. These vines do well in that vertical space. So if you have a trellis or you have a fence or something like that that you're trying to cover and you want to have beautiful flowers, this sun parasol mandevilla is an excellent choice. And there's lots of varieties. So all these different colors, these do great in the summertime. Of course, in the wintertime, if we get a hard freeze, we will lose these. So if you want to keep these year after year, it's best to grow them in a container and protect them in the wintertime. But these are just gorgeous. They tolerate the heat. Make sure you're keeping up with the water when it's hot outside like it is right now. And when we're growing in containers, we want to remember to fertilize with a liquid fertilizer or have a slow release, because we're watering so often, we're washing out those nutrients. So look for the new sun parasol, new to me anyway, and I'm loving these gorgeous colors of mandevilla. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.